Hello everyone, today let's learn about the notification settings on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. I will show you how to set up your phone to ensure you don't miss anything important while avoiding unnecessary notifications. So let's go to settings and let's find the notifications menu. And first you probably want to do is to customize the notifications from different applications. So let's go to this very first menu, app notifications. And here we have the list of all applications that are sending notifications to us. And let's say I don't want to receive the Gmail notifications anymore. So I can simply disable the notifications. That's it. And Gmail doesn't disturb me anymore. And now let me show you some advanced notification settings, and I'll show you this using the YouTube application as an example. So let's scroll down, find our YouTube application and tap on its name. And we see another menu, and here we can do some fine tuning. Let's say we don't want to receive the notifications about specific events anymore. And to dissolve these notifications, we have to do the next. Go to notification categories and just choose the events you don't want to be notified about. For example, about subscriptions or about recommendations, product updates, anything. Now let's go back, scroll to the top, and here we have one more important setting. We can to receive notification with sound or silent notifications. For example, I prefer silent. And now YouTube will not disturb me, but at the same time notify me about events I'm interested in. Also, you can hide your notifications content on the lock screen. Just tap lock screen notifications and tap hide content. That's it. And the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to disable app icon badges. So let's go back to the main notifications menu and let's go to advanced settings. And you can disable app icon badges on your desktop just by dissolving it. That's it. Subscribe our channel for more cool tips and tricks about your gadgets, and thanks for watching.